Hey everyone, it's Lisa from Epic Yarn Gems. Today I'm going to be doing a really quick video. It's going to be the take two for the winner of my 1000 subscriber giveaway. The original winner did not get in contact with me, so like I said, after 30 days, which has been a little bit more, that I would choose another winner. So that's what I'm going to do today. Alright, so let's get the URL to go in the random selector. And once we get that in there, we are going to get our comments. We have 200 even. All right, so let's go down a little bit on the screen and we will get the generator going. So let's hit that big start button and watch the names fly by. And the winner is Dottie Burton. Congratulations, Dottie. If you will send me your mailing address to epicyarngems@gmail.com, I will get your yarn out to you. This giveaway was open internationally, so if you are international, just let me know that, and maybe I could send you a gift card or something for the value of the yarn, because I'm not really able to get out to the post office to do international mailings right now. I'm on a stay-at-home order with the COVID-19 pandemic, so if you are international, let me know. We can work something out. If you want to wait, I can mail the yarn out when I can get to the post office, but I will put all the information down in the description box of all the rules that were with this giveaway as well. I will hold the yarn for 30 days, and if I don't hear from the winner, I will be doing a third take. So happy Easter to everyone who celebrates, and as always, peace, love, and happiness. Take care all.